from Meghalaya who has been selected as an assistant referee for the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup in 2024? Answer is A. Rio Langdar. Who is the current Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court who took charge on 3rd October 2024? Answer is C. Justice Indra Prasanna Mukherjee. Which are the two villages of Meghalaya that won the National Best Tourism Village 2024, hosted by the Union Ministry of Tourism? Answers B. Umden and Moplang. Which village in Meghalaya is known as the Eri Silk Village of India? Answers A. Umden. Government of Meghalaya signs MOU with which foundation to improve health, nutrition and agriculture outcomes? Answers D. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The third Sora International Half Marathon 2024 has how many participants? Answer is C. 7,000 plus participants. The 6th Meghalaya Game 2025 will be held at which part of Meghalaya? Answer is B. Juwai. Where does Meghalaya have its real head? Answer is A. Mendi Pathar. Which local language of Meghalaya is added to Google Translate? Answer is B. Khasi language. What is the name of the first OTT platform launched by Meghalaya? Answer is A. Hello Meghalaya. Who was selected as an observer for the boxing event at the Paris Olympic 2024? Answer is B. Larry Karpran. In which year did Lakadong turmeric receive a geographical indication tag? Answer is A. 2023. How many cricketers from Meghalaya got selected for National Cricket Academy Northeast Senior Men Camp? Answer is 9. Which village is considered the cultural center of Khasi Hills? Answer is B. Smith. Which is the oldest police station in Meghalaya? Answer is C. Sora Police Station. Vertebrate bone fossils believed to belong to which animal have been unearthed in Meghalaya South Garo Hills? Answer is A. Prehistoric whale. Who led the Khasi revolt against the British? Answer is D. Utirat Singh. Who leads the Garo people in the late 1800s and early 1900s against British colonial rule? Answer is A. Patugan Sangma. India's first glass mosque is in which part of Meghalaya? Answer is D. Shillong. In March 2024, Garo Hills received GI tag for which product? Answer is D. Both A and B. Garo Dakmanda and Chubitchi.